Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. So we are gonna make some slime.
So we bought this in Shopee. That's DIY slime. And then, what's inside the box, babe?
Slime.
We have slime glue.
And then baking soda. And then 2 slime activators.
And then what else? What else are there?
2 food coloring. It is pink and orange.
And
there is 2 slime glues, and then there's 1 glitter, and then its color is gold, and then there is a mixing spoon, and then a popsicle stick. Let's start. There's 1 popsicle stick there.
the first thing that you're gonna do is
To put the slime glue.
put the slime glue. Pour entire bottle of 50 ml glue into a clean mixing bowl or container.
Is this a...
Let me open it for you.
I know how to open it.
Oh.
Oh my.
Okay.
Okay. Then I'll pull it. Oh, so. Like that?
Pour all of it. How many ml is this? Oh, 50 ml. You make sure every single glue is there.
Smells like slime. Ah!
Next,
Add food coloring.
add 2 to 8 drops of colored ink.
Colored ink.
Mm.
Is this colored ink?
Mm-hmm.
So I'll add.
Or desired amount of glitter.
I like.
Put pink first. Put your desired color first.
I like pink.
Let me open it for you.
Okay. Oh, pink.
2 to 8 drops. 1.
Too hard. It's so hard.
Wait, I'll help you. How many? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh.
9.
And then desired amount of glitter.
I can't wait to put the glitter. I love glitter. I like.
I don't know how to open it. Wait lang. Be careful because glitter goes everywhere.
Yeah.
Glitter sprinkle.
Wow.
That's enough? Or add a little bit more?
Wow.
And then close.
Okay.
And then
Mix.
half a spoon of baking soda.
Half a spoon of baking soda.
That's baking soda, guys.
Baking soda, guys. I know how to open it. It doesn't work. And then
Half a spoon.
a spoon? Ah,
Oh, sige ka lang. Go. And then cover the baking soda.
yeah, I know how to do it.
And then mix.
Mix? Hey, I'll be the one who will mix.
You should be the one who will mix. Show your face in the camera. This side.
We're mixing, mix.
Mix thoroughly now.
Okay. Ooh, so glittery. It looks like slime now.
Should I help you?
No.
No.
Can do it. Just additives. And then add slime.
And then add entire bottle of 50 ml slime activator.
Oh, you hold this, mommy.
Okay.
Hold.
Say please.
Please. And you mix.
I'll keep on mixing it.
Yeah. How can I open
Oh, you
this?
hold this. I'll open that. Keep mixing.
Mix. Ooh, wow. So glittery.
I'll mix and you put the entire bottle of...
Activate.
Oh, wait, let me see. That's 50 ml slime activator that you need to...
Put the whole thing.
Yeah.
No more.
Okay, that's good. So you keep on mixing in the slime activator until mixture gets thicker and slime begins to form.
Whoa, so it is sticking.
If your slime is too sticky, sprinkle 1/8 spoon of baking soda if ever it's too sticky, but it's not sticky at all. We just need to keep on mixing it.
Wow, so sticky.
Okay, continue mixing it. It will not get thick if you don't mix it.
Oh, you're helping me?
Look at it, guys.
Look at the time.
But Lexis is not able to mix the baking soda properly. That's why there are lumps of baking soda in it. It needs to be thoroughly mixed.
It looks like slime now. Is this slime now?
You try to touch it. super
slimy. Oh. Oopsie. Hey, go away.
ooh.
Do it look like slime?
Mm-hmm.
Wow! Wow!
You mix it thoroughly still.
Mix it with my hand.
Sige daw. You try to knead it with your hand.
Wow! Wow, so slimy.
You knead it.
Everything. Wow.
You continue kneading it with your hands. Look at those glitters. Put it near the camera, babe, so that they can see it.
Wow.
They can't see it. It's so glittery.
Do it to look like slime?
It's a slime now.
Wow, it's so sticky. There's a baking soda with it. Wow.
Oh, you need it properly. Should we add more color?
Yeah.
And you mix with your hands, okay?
Okay. Good. Oh, my hand.
You mix it thoroughly. Wow.
A very sticky slime.
Whoa.
A very slimy.